Hello guys. Since COVID-19, companies and enterprises have acquired digital platforms to reach customers. In recent years, digital marketers' scope and responsibility have expanded. Post-COVID-19 is the era of remote work. We've seen new ways to buy, sell, and market. During the crisis, internet e-commerce underwent rapid growth. Social media has grown rapidly as a marketing vehicle, with billions of users on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Digital marketers upgrade their tools and strategies to meet industry needs, while professional digital marketers improve their abilities to be more employable. Beginners may struggle to know which skills to learn. By the end of this video, you will know what digital marketing skills you need, which ones you have, and which ones to add. We've compiled a list of the 9 most sought-after abilities that can propel your digital marketing professionals to the next level. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 9 digital marketing skills that you need to know in order to make your brand more successful. So if you're looking to improve your digital marketing skills, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you can stay up to date on all of the latest information and trends in the field. 1. Email marketing. Have you ever noticed that your spam folders fill up with emails you almost never read every month? If so, you are not on your own. This is because they don't know how to use email marketing well. Email marketing is one of the best ways to market because it is accurate, consistent, and has a high rate of conversion. Email marketing is still thought of as the king of digital marketing, especially when it's aimed at a specific group of customers. Through email marketing, you can let your customers know about everything going on in your business, such as new products, limited time offers, extra benefits, and even day-to-day operations. Email marketing tools like Klaviyo can also help you get your work done faster and better. Klaviyo's competitors include Mailchimp, HubSpot, and Zoho Mail. They come in both free and paid versions so that every digital marketer can find one that meets their needs. 2. Content marketing. For content marketing to be effective, it is essential to have content that is interesting and engaging, material that is easy to understand and follow, be it a blog entry, a post on a social networking platform, a piece of audio content, or a visual story will always win hearts. In order to be successful in marketing, you not only need to have mastered the skills of producing high-quality content, but you also need to know the key to gaining more engagement. Finding your competitors, thinking strategically, and having a mindset that is driven by data are just a few of the abilities that are required to perform content marketing in a more effective manner. 3. Personal branding. Personal branding is an area in which you, as a digital marketer, absolutely must invest. The purpose of personal branding is not to boast about one's accomplishments. Rather, it is to provide insight into one's identity. The first step in developing a personal brand is to establish a solid online presence. This not only provides you with an identity, but also makes it possible for you to cultivate a robust relationship with the customers and clients you serve. Additionally, it distinguishes you from your competition, which paves the way for increased opportunities for leveraging and customer prospecting. 4. Creative writing and editing. The ability to create compelling content is a cornerstone of a successful marketing strategy. A competent marketer must have this skill. If you still think that creative writing and the writing you did in school are the same, you are wrong. The practice of creative writing has a great deal more to offer. When it comes to creative writing, everything revolves around how well you can transform your work and sell it. Before you even begin to pitch a single sentence, you need to have a solid understanding of the market and its requirements that it has. Your sales pitch needs to be attention-grabbing and one of a kind, whether it's a headline, a title tag, a meta description, or the topic body. The retention of customers, the production of a new leads, and the authority of a website can all benefit from creative writing. At the same time, it is essential to have a firm grasp on the craft of editing. If you want to make sales and attract more attention from your customers, you need to be able to alter the material that is already there. 5. SEO and SEM. The phrases search engine optimization, SEO, and search engine marketing, SEM, are among the most frequently used in the realm of digital media. These strategies are the foundation of any digital marketing strategy, and search engine optimization and search engine marketing are the most effective approaches for attracting customers through organic search results. Because users are more likely to click on organic search results rather than paid search results, search engine optimization and search engine marketing are both essential components of a successful digital marketing campaign. To be successful in search engine optimization SEO digital marketing, you will need to learn skills such as schema markups, generating site maps, user experience design, and local SEO. In addition, if you want to be successful in search engine marketing SEM, you need to hone your talents in a variety of areas, including keyword research and the optimal way to present advertisements on screen, amongst others. Building backlinks, correcting site issues, and lastly, analyzing site performance are all useful marketing techniques that should be considered by you. These strategies can assist and contribute to the sustainable and long-term success of a business. 6. Data analytics. When it comes to examining the data on your website as well as its performance, Google Analytics is the greatest platform to use. The tool provides you with a wealth of measurements and information that, when combined, provide a clear picture of how well your website is doing. However, you won't be able to fix the marketing blunders you've made in the past if you don't have a solid understanding and analysis. A digital marketer's job is to analyze analytics data in order to have a better understanding of how customers behave and to propose various strategies that increase traffic and conversions. Some of the talents a digital marketer should learn to make a brand more successful include the capacity to examine varied data sets, competency with data visualization tools, and the ability to integrate cross-platform event tracking technologies. 7. Voice-enabled searches. Voice searches are becoming increasingly commonplace in modern technology, and this trend extends to both personal computers and portable digital services. Voice searches and digital assistants that can be controlled by talking are becoming increasingly common. If you are able to master the process of setting up a strategy for voice searches, you will be able to provide a superior user experience across all devices. In addition, because voice searches are more natural and fluid conversations, digital marketers need to hone their skills in keyword search and SEO in order to develop a more effective marketing strategy. When using voice assistants, people typically ask complete inquiries or speak in a whole sentence. As a result, marketers ought to place a greater emphasis on the generation of a long-tail keywords or using a whole statement as a targeted term. 8. Social media marketing. Another expertise that is in high demand in the field of digital marketing is known by its acronym SMM, which stands for social media marketing. Over the past few years, social media has seen significant development and has emerged as one of the most successful platforms for capturing the attention of customers and increasing the rate of conversions. The ability of a marketer to think creatively is critical to the success of social media marketing. A marketer who wants to specialize in social media marketing, SMM, needs to have a number of skills in addition to the ability to create content that is specific to the target market. These skills include an understanding of user needs, expertise in the conversion tracking, and the ability to analyze data. Not only does prompting the brand through optimized social media posts and targeted advertisements boost the likelihood of conversions, but they also promote the brand to a specific market. Every social media platform was developed with a certain goal in mind from the beginning. Another key component that a digital marketer needs to be aware of is the utilization of various platforms for the achievement of certain company goals. 9. Conversion rate optimization. While it is the goal of every company to increase its organic and paid traffic, it is important to note that this does not necessarily result in an increase in conversions. Therefore, the best strategy is to go with leads that are modest but have a good chance of converting. And this is where the idea of conversion rate optimization comes into play. Experimenting with different website pages and calls to action, also known as CTAs, is an important part of conversion rate optimization, also known as CRO. The goal of this process is to determine which CTAs and website pages are most effective for a particular company. As a digital marketer, it is important to have a working knowledge of A/B testing, commitment measures, and transformation pipes. These are just a few of the many useful components one should master. The field of digital marketing offers a wide range of services and skills that are essential to the success of any business. From CEO to conversion rate optimization, digital marketers must stay up to date on the latest trend in order to provide the best user experience possible across all platforms. I hope this video was helpful in demonstrating some of the most sought after digital marketing skills and services. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful digital marketing tips. And don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for watching.